In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert an MP4 video to AVI. To begin with, let's open VLC Media Player, navigate to Media, then convert/save. Now, once you open this window, under File Selection, click on the Add button, and then select the video that you want to convert. So select the video, click Open, then down below here, click on this little arrow, and select Convert. Now once you get to this stage, click on this little wrench icon, and in here select AVI. Click Save, then under Destination, choose Browse, and then just rename the output file. So let's say I'll call it Output, click Save. As you can see now, it adds the extension output.avi, click Start, and then you should notice VLC running a progress bar here. So basically this is the conversion in progress. Now if the video is a bit longer, it may take longer, but if you have a short video, it should be a quick process. Okay, so the conversion is still running. Now once this is finished, we can close VLC and run AVI video. Okay, so the conversion is almost done. Right now, as you can see, this is now finished. Close the VLC, and here is our output file. So if I hover over, you can see it's an AVI video file. Now if I double click, that's the video. Okay, and that would be it for this tutorial. So I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.